Calculate by how much the compound interest exceeds the simple interest on 700,000 shillings for 3 years at 12% per annum. So here we need to calculate the simple interest for money invested for 3 years at the rate of 12% per annum per year. After getting the interest, that simple interest, then we also calculate for the compound interest, and then we find the difference. Now this is how we go about it. We will have the simple interest formula, where we have interest is given by the principal times rate times time over 100. The principal is the money invested, which is 700,000. Then the rate is given to be 12%, and then time is 3 years. Now the interest will be 700,000 times rate times time, which is 3 over 100. This 12%. This is why it is over 100. Now you just simplify and then you multiply. You can use a calculator to multiply. You will have 7,000 multiplied by 12 multiplied by 3 to give you 250,000. Now this one will give you 252,000 shillings. This is the interest when you calculate using simple interest formula. Now we need to calculate for compound interest. We can use this compound interest formula, where we have amount is given as P into 1 plus R over 100 raised to power n. Now that one is the amount after n years when you invest P, amount P. Now our P there is 700,000 into 1 plus R. R is the rate for 100 raised power n. Our n is the time, 3 years. Now you will have 700,000 here. If you have this times 1.12 raised power 3. So, and also you can easily solve using calculator, where you will have 700,000 multiplied by 1.12 raised to power 3 is equal to, now you can see it is 983,000 for, what is that one? 449.6. Now it is 983,449 and 60 cents. This is the amount. Now how do we get the interest? Interest is equal to amount minus principal. Now we will have 983,449 49 and 60 cents minus the principal, which is 700,000. That one, if you subtract, you will get 283, 449 and 60 cents. Now, if you do that, this is the interest when calculated using the compound interest formula. Now, we were required to find the difference in the interest. Now, you will come and say 283, 409, 449 and 60 cents minus 252,000. Now, if you subtract that, what do you get if you subtract it? Can you check what you get? You will get 31,449 and 60 cents as the difference, and this is what is required.